Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. First of all, you need to click on Settings over here and tap on Connections. Then click on Bluetooth and tap on the switcher to activate it. Wait for available devices to show up and when they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to. After that, you need to select Pair in the pop-up over here and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to forget this connection, you need to tap on this gear icon next to the device and choose on pair at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!